So guys, Volkswagen Passat 2008 2 liters TDI, and we have ABS lights on and ASP lights on. Also we have problem with the injection, so I'm gonna check it. Actually I already scanned it, and I have P1268 steering angle sensor, P0571. That's not necessary to check it right now. And we have P1261 valve for pump injection, cylinder 1. So P0261, of course this lights on, and steering angle sensor, of course these two lights on. So let's see how to check it, how to fix it. P1261, something wrong with the first injector. So the injector's inside the engine, so we have to take out the cover and see what's going on. Probably is bad wiring, faulty wiring. So let's see what's wrong with it. So guys, I just took out the cover, and sometimes the problem is with the connections. Those two small copper pins inside, they worn out from the vibration, and that can cause the fault 1261. So we're gonna take it out and check it. If you have the problem 1261, first check the connections, all the loom wiring. This can be bad. So I'm gonna check it and see what's going on. So everyone, the code P1261 is fixed. It was loose wiring on the injector number 1. Very easy.